Okay, let's sit down. So today, we will talk about respect and tradition in Eastern culture. Can anyone share what they've learned from their families about these values? Sure. Oh, please, Asana.
Showing respect to elders is very important to our culture. We always greet them and listen to their advices. So, thank you. Sure. In my family, we show respect by bowing or giving some small nod. It is a way by honor someone elder and or in a position of authority.
Yes, exactly. Respect is the key value in Eastern culture. It's not about words, but about actions. How about traditions?
Sir.
Okay, Sigurdo.
We have families every day. Where all generations sit together. And we bond and share stories. That's all.
Thank you. Another one.
Sir,
Okay, okay. Listen up.
The family lights incense to show honor to our ancestors because it's a tradition to remind where we came from, sir.
Okay, thank you. Listen down. Beautiful. This tradition gives us our roots. Now, let's move to Europe where we see how respect and tradition are practiced in daily life.
Alright everyone, let's sit in the table. Remember, we need to start our answers first.
Oh, Shinji, it's nice to see you, but you will still remember the old me.
Of course, we thought that our children would respect the others.
We always make sure that our grandparents are comfortable. It's one of the way we show respect to them.
It's not just about serving food, but also understanding where our traditions come from.
Exactly. In our culture, meals are more than just eating. There are times to connect with families, to reflect on our values.
I like listening to our grandparents. They did us so much about their past.
It's like passing their wisdom on us.
Hi guys, thank you for visiting us. Come inside guys. Let's eat. Come in. No, thank you for the food. Mario, honey, Mario is here.
Hello. Hello, Grandpa. Take a seat. For the food, guys.
No problem. It's just in our tradition, sharing food is a sign of friendship.
It brings everyone closer. Darling.
Yes, darling.
We always enjoy when neighbors visit, especially during important times.
Yes, that's true guys.
So I've learned from my parents that being generous makes the whole community stronger.
It's not just about giving, but also showing gratitude in what we receive.
Exactly, gratitude is a big part of our culture. It reminds us to be humble and kind.
So class, what did we learn today?
Sir,
Okay, Maria.
we learned that respect and tradition are very important in our culture. They keep us connected to each other in our past.
So I think we have to sit down. Another. Sir. Okay, Dave. Stand up.
In that term, respect is not just about words. It is about how we treat others, especially elders. Thank you.
Last one.
Sir.
Okay, sir, look, stand up.
Based on what I have wrote, sir, we also learned that traditional life, family meals, and sharing with neighbors make us strong as a community.
Okay, thank you. Now, well said.
Remember, it's not just about learning these values. It's about living them every day.
Thank you, our classes.